Check this out, this is the brand new LXT 18 volt cordless heat gun from Makita. It's compact, it's portable, you can take it anywhere, and it's got a max temperature output of 550 degrees Celsius. And that temperature is adjustable with a dial on the rear of the tool, so you can wind it all the way down to 150 degrees Celsius. It's also got 2 fan speeds as well, so you can switch between 200 litres per minute on high or 120 litres per minute on low. Now when you wind it up to max temperature and use a 6 amp hour LXT battery like this one, you'll get 30 minutes of continuous runtime on low, 21 minutes on high. Otherwise, it's just point and shoot. There's a nice LED work light to light up what you're working, and there's a button to lock on the trigger so you can work hands-free. It comes with 4 nozzle attachments as standard. What's really cool is it's got a quick eject for those nozzles so you can get rid of the hot one without touching it and having to wait for it to cool down. And that trick little release button for the hook on the rear is fun for the whole family. That's the new 18 volt cordless heat gun from Makita. It's available now at all Sydney Tools stores or online. Go to sydneytools.com.au for more information or hit me up in the comments section down below if you've got any questions. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.